If you're thinking about staying at the Gran Ventana in Puerto Plata and need a quick honest review of what to expect, this video is for you. Let's get inside.
Thank you, sir.
After receiving my welcome drink, I entered the lobby. It's open, bright, and breezy, and it immediately gives you that relaxed Caribbean resort feeling. The first major area you will see is the main pool. This is where most of the daytime energy is, with music, activities, and a swim-up bar nearby. There are plenty of chairs around the property where you can sit and relax and enjoy the atmosphere. However, when the resort gets busy, the best chairs can be taken early, so that's something to keep in mind. This is the beach. The water wasn't bad at all. It was actually nicer than it looked, and comfortable enough for a swim. This is the entrance to the main buffet. Before entering, I was given hand sanitizer, which I thought was a nice touch. The food at the buffet was amazing, and everything I tried was tasty and well prepared. One thing I did notice though is that the selection isn't very large compared to some of the other all-inclusive resorts. It's more of a smaller, straightforward buffet rather than an overwhelming variety. What stood out to me was how the food was presented. Most of it was kept inside these covered warmers, which helped keep everything protected and at the right temperature. I haven't seen this setup in many resorts, so it felt like a unique and practical touch. Even with the smaller selection, I was still able to find something enjoyable each time I visited.
I'm here trying the food at the VH Gran Ventana. I'm gonna dig into the fish right now.
My place will be the ice cream, yes.
Holy, the food is amazing.
And I was like,
It's amazing.
what time is it?
I had to get myself some of these fritters.
Those?
It's some ham fritters, and I'm telling you, it's so good.
Dos y media.
I've never seen that before. I don't know if it's a Puerto Plata thing, a Dominican thing. Ham fritters, so good, amazing.
And they're half fritters.
We do sawfish fritters in Jamaica.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, they taste like saltfish fritters.
Yeah, so good.
Like that.
So good. Trying the rum and raisin ice cream. Holy.
That's my
Gosh.
favorite ice cream.
I have to go back in.
Rum raisin. Yes.
So good.
Oh my god, you gotta try that.
My gosh. And they come in these cute little bowls. Holy.
That's the only thing I had for dessert, right?
I haven't eaten ice cream in a minute. I'm here. I can't stop.
Oh.
So good.
Or both of the pudding?
Oh my gosh, this ice cream is good.
At LA.
Holy.
Now, let's take a look at the Superior room. The room is simple and has a more traditional style, so don't arrive expecting a brand new ultra-modern suite. However, it was clean, comfortable, and provided the basics I needed for my stay. Superior rooms come with either one king bed or two double beds, along with a private balcony or terrace. It's a practical space for getting ready, relaxing, and resting after a full day around the resort. While walking around the property, I noticed how much work goes into maintaining the grounds. You can regularly see the gardening and the maintenance team cleaning, trimming, and taking care of the surroundings. I have to big them up because their hard work makes a noticeable difference in how the property looks and feels. This is the sports bar, a casual indoor space where you can cool down, grab a drink, or take a break from the pool and the sun. The sports bar is actually quite modern and nicely updated with a fresh, comfortable feel that makes it a good spot to relax in the evenings or escape the heat during the day.
Video.
Sure.
But we found a
Just
way
got
to
my
kill
coffee.
Yeah, we killed it.
The croissant too.
Overall, Gran Ventana is a relaxed resort with great customer service, good food, and a comfortable atmosphere. A solid option in Puerto Plata. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like and share button so more people could see this video, and hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.